A lot of times we are unable to figure out what has went wrong and why the messages are not getting delivered. To check the actual reason why the messages are not getting delivered, first of all, we'll set a webhook URL to the WABA. Go to WABA, click on the view icon, click on webhooks. Now open the website Webhook.Site. If you open the website Webhook.Site, it will automatically generate a unique webhook URL for you. Simply copy this. Now click on add webhook and click on test. Paste the URL. Here you will get two options, inbound or outbound. So for outbound, it means all the outgoing messages going to your WhatsApp number that will get sent to the webhook URL. But we want the inbound data that we receive from Meta whenever an outgoing message is sent. So all the error messages, sent, read, delivered, status updates, all these things comes to our infrastructure as an inbound webhook. So we basically require that data. So we'll simply click on inbound, select the structure as cloud and click on add webhook. Now any incoming trigger or data from Meta or WhatsApp on this WhatsApp API number will be sent to this webhook URL. Now to test what went wrong with your number, go to CRM, click on the campaign option, click on create new campaign. So basically we are sending a message via our WhatsApp API number and we are checking what is the error that we get. If you are using API to send the message, you don't need to go to the CRM. You can, after setting the webhook, you can directly trigger the API and then you can see the response here. So now I'm basically using the CRM to send a test message. So after you click on create new campaign, click on message option, select your appropriate channel, select from the available templates, fill all the data of the templates, all the variables of the template, enter your receiver phone number. One second, I'll enter the number. Now send test message. It will show that the message has been sent successfully. It is because the message has been triggered from our system. Now when you see the webhook, so if there will be any error in actually delivering the message, Meta will send the data. Even if it is successful, Meta will send the data to the webhook with send, delivered and read timestamp. Now this message got failed and the reason was that there was some issue in the payment method, that is for payment for conversations to Meta. So now you can identify if there is any other issue. You'll also be able to see the error codes or error responses from Meta here. So this is how you can test using webhooks. Now once you have figured out the reason, always remember to again go to the WABA and to the webhook section and delete the webhook. So this is how you can test, if you test the outgoing messages, if you're clueless that why the message is not getting delivered. Thank you.